Alright, from the Garden University out there, North. Alright, Ma'am Shea, another winner. We have 3 winners. Nicholas or Kulintas. It's either silver or gold. I, if you know that, what's your name? All the way from? Nice. All the way from Bao. Alright, ma'am. Dapat na kayo utang mama. Ikaw pa kayo siya yung silisan. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Alright, ang makadala sa mama, si Angel. Hey! Lisa makadala. Okay, thank you so much, Mama. Okay, thank you so much, girls. Of course, I think hindi po no makompleto ang celebration ni Angel. Kundi po na ito mabati ang yes.